today guys, bale ngayong araw moving up ni Marika. Ayan, magiging kinder 2 na siya. Bale retouch muna si Marika kasi medyo napagay yung dating namin dito
Proud of my baby. Did a good job.
Tapos tignan natin mamaya mga gagawin nila sa loob ng Claret Auditorium.
Has just begun, and we would like to share it with you. The beginning of a brand new journey for the members of the moving up class of Kinder 2 as they are about to tread the map expanse of the world they walk. A new frontier where they turn dreams into reality. As a burning audience, God has been so gracious to every one of us as we are to end the school year 2022-2023 with a feast. As we formally begin, it is but proper to start this momentous occasion by seeking the Lord's guidance, grace, and blessing, and to express a message of encouragement and gratitude. May I call on our Vice Principal for Academics, Mrs. Amorfina E. Gurriaga, for her welcome remarks. Let us give her a round of applause.
Mrs. Victoria A. Gurriaga, our school director, Dr. Tricia C. Martinola, our assistant director, Mrs. Angela C. Barma, our finance director, Mrs. Arlene O. Anaka, our principal, Mrs. Armida A. Costuda, our vice principal for student affairs, other members of the academic council, cluster leaders, teachers, non-teaching staff, preschool pupils, parents, guests, a blessed morning to all of you. Welcome to our preschool closing program. Today is another day, a significant day in the lives of these young children. We are all gathered here to cheer and show how proud we are of their academic achievements. I can feel that each of us here is full of happiness, immensely excited, and filled with gratitude. Do you agree, dear parents? It feels good whenever we see little children. No one can beat their beautiful smiles that exude warmth and positivity. Their cuteness, overload, and smartness remind us that we are blessed and that God has given us a beautiful life to enjoy. As we teach them with the basics of life, we adults also learn from them of what life is all about.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Mariana. Words sweet from the heart of a true and poignant mentor. Now, the time has finally come for our pupils to enjoy achieving their goals. May I call on our principal, Mrs. Arlene O. Ananga, for the presentation of the Kinder 2 completers of the academic year 2022-2023 and our newly reserved directress, Mrs. Victoria A. Corralejo, for the acceptance and confirmation rites. A warm applause, please.
Pleasant morning to all. This is Victoria A. Corralejo, School Director. It is with pride and honor to present to you the candidates for moving up of the kindergarten of the College of St. Anthony for school year 2022-2023, composed of 17 boys and 7 girls, for a total of 24 pupils. They have fully satisfied the requirements in the kindergarten curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby request for your acceptance and confirmation. Madam, they now await for your confirmation.
Thank you, Ms. Ananga, for presenting our Kinder 2 pupils who have successfully completed the basic requirements under the Department of Education K-12 Basic Education Program. By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, through the Office of the School's Division Superintendents, I do hereby confirm these kindergarten 2 pupils as completers. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mrs. Ananga and Mrs. Corralejo. Thank you, dear pupils. You may now be seated. The moment of these preschool pupils to receive the fruits of their determination to excel has finally come. May I call on our highly admired school director, Mrs. Victoria A. Coralejo, for the awarding of diplomas and recognition of the academic and non-academic awardees. She will be assisted by Ms. Angela C. Parma, our finance director, Mrs. Arlene O. Ananca, our principal, Mrs. Amorfina D. Gloriaga, our vice principal for academics, Mrs. Arminda A. Lasuna, our vice principal for student affairs, and to read the names of the students and their achievements, may I call on Ms. Jacqueline S. Casino, our preschool cluster leader. A round of applause, please.
It is my honor to present the pupils from the preschool department, starting with the nursery level. Chu Mateo Asaya K, recipient of the Team Player Award and the Brave Kid Award. Ocado Pei T, recipient of the Graceful Dancer Award and the Amiable Award. Policarpio Sabina Isabel S, recipient of the Generous Kid Award and Honest Kid Award. Verona Solana Olivia R, Best in Penmanship, recipient of the Well-Groomed Award. A warm applause, please, for our nursery pupils. Let us now welcome here on the stage the Kinder 1 pupils. Kapulay Yeshua Theo Neil O, recipient of the Team Player Award. Garciano Hugo L.E.P., recipient of the Obedient Kid Award. Policarpio Sebastian S., recipient of the Generous Kid Award. Salas Maximus Bran M., recipient of the Amiable Award. Duazon Marco Alonzo M., recipient of the Happy Helper Award. Blanca Xavier Matthew, recipient of the Eager Beaver Award. Villar Z. Azrael I, recipient of the Brave Kid Award. Amanda Lavelle F., recipient of the Enthusiastic Learner Award. Andres Ellie J. L., recipient of the Ever Cheerful Award. Castro Maurice Margot P., recipient of the Amiable Award. Daco Lauren Elise P., Best in Penmanship, Best in Conduct, Best in Mathematics, Outstanding Pupil. Limakulangan Marika Dana B., recipient of the Perfect Attendance Award and the Eager Beaver Award. Outstanding Pupil. Limayakiyak Scarlett Dariel M., recipient of the Graceful Dancer Award. And Fiesta Adriana Luis, recipient of the Happy Helper Award. Menor Haley Adriel S., recipient of the Enthusiastic Learner Award, Best in Communication Arts Filipino, recipient of the Happy Helper Award. Trinidad Mary Madeline S., recipient of the Self-Reliant Award. Villanueva Kate Natalie P., recipient of the Peacekeeper Award. A big round of applause to our Kinder 1 pupils. Before I present the Kinder 2 completers, may I call here on stage our Assistant Director, Dr. Trisha C. Montinora. And now, presenting the Kinder 2 completers. Aquino Peter Caleb L., recipient of the Patient Advocate Award. Loa Matthew Ezekiel S., recipient of the Obedient Kid Award. Basaya Jeron Miguel A., recipient of the BCP Award. Batacan Matthew C., recipient of the Determined Kid Award. Bayona Lord Adrian Harry N., recipient of the Happy Helper Award. Verago Mark Francis IV S., recipient of the Enthusiastic Kid Award. Bugay Sandro P., recipient of the BCP Award.
This event is truly a time of celebration, of achievement, and anticipation as they go on their way to a new beginning. Thank you so much, dear parents and our preschool pupils. As we are about to close the program, may we call back on stage our school principal, Mrs. Arlene O. Ananca, for her closing remarks. Let us give her a warm applause.
Thank you, Ms. Yong. Mrs. Victoria A. Bermejo, members of the Administrative and Academic Council, faculty and staff, beloved parents and guardians, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Last year, due to parents' request to hold in-person closing rites amidst the pandemic, we conducted the moving up ceremony of Kinder 2, the graduation of grade 6 and 12. Since there was already an easing of restrictions, the school's division office gave its approval for CSA to hold it physically but simply. Today, by the grace of God, we are gathered again to celebrate this triumphant event with more freedom. The school believes how precious this occasion is for the kids and their families. And so we tried our best to make the program more meaningful.
Let us welcome back on stage our preschool pupils for their final song. Again, a warm applause, please.
Si Yana ay the best at the best among the rest. Si Moto D-Max ang pangalan, hinangaan ko na bless. Mag-enjoy ka lang sa buhay at huwag kang mainis. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo nang walang piniplease. Si Yana ay the best at the best among the rest. Si Moto D-Max ang pangalan, hinangaan ko na bless. Mag-enjoy ka lang sa buhay at huwag kang mainis. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo nang walang piniplease. Easy lang ang buhay at huwag magpaka-stress. Gawin mo na lahat at ibigay ang iyong the best. Tawanan ng problema at huwag kang mainis. Yan ang sabi ni Moto D-Max sa tayo ay bless. At samahan ka ni Moto D-Max sa paglalakbay. Mapagmahal na ama sa anak mapagbigay. Hindi ka maliligaw kapag siya ang iyong gabay. Manood sa kanyang video sa buhay niyang makulay. Marami siyang content na iyong matatanaw. Adventure man o family at mga lingaw. Patuloy sa pagtulong, mainit o maginaw. At wala siyang pinipili, basta totoong ikaw. Mga lakbayin niya sa buhay at marami pang iba. Samahan natin siya para sa kaniyang pamilya. Siya na ay si Moto D-Max na may bigating aura. Kay Moto D-Max tayo ay may aral makukuha. Si Yana ay the best at the best among the rest. Si Moto D-Max ang pangalan, hinangaan ko na bless. Mag-enjoy ka lang sa buhay at huwag kang mainis. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo nang walang piniplease. Si Yana ay the best at the best among the rest. Si Moto D-Max ang pangalan, hinangaan ko na bless. Mag-enjoy ka lang sa buhay at huwag kang mainis. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo nang walang piniplease. Piliin natin ang tunay na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa ating buhay bilang tulay. Sa ating pag-asenso, Moto D-Max ang gabay ng payo sa buhay para tayo ay magtumibay. Suportahan na natin siya sa kanyang nilalabas ng mga content para to sa ating lahat. Mag-enjoy ka lang, ang bituin ay kikislap. Sulitin mo ang panahon at huwag kang magkalat ng lagim sa iba, kasi babalik sa'yo kung ano ang nagawa.